Hello and welcome to the very first video of our channel, Mechline Design. Here in this channel, I am planning to give you a journey of a mechanical design engineer going from very zero step to first, second, third, and then till your destination to become a best mechanical design engineer. We will study about various topics such as pneumatics, hydraulics, design calculations, and whatnot. But before going to this journey, we need to understand that what does a mechanical design engineer do? When you heard this word, mechanical design engineer, what comes into your mind? Something like this: an image of a software on which some machine structure is there, and something like this: many conveyors and some robots and a person standing something like this with electrical panel. So this is the image of a mechanical design that comes into your mind. But how does a mechanical design engineer comes to this stage of designing? This happens with the help of this designing process. First of all, the design engineer understands the customer's requirement. What does a customer require from the machine is being discussed. For example, here the requirement of the customer is transferring the parts from one place to another place. And after understanding the requirement, the design engineer develops the concept and layout. Here, the layout is the place where the machine is being placed after manufacture. So robot will be here, so electrical panel is here, some machine would be here. So this is the layout. Now after layout, we make the detailed CAD models. CAD model looks like this. It has structure, it has electrical panel, connections, motors, and other emergency buttons and other electrical or pneumatic items. After this, we validate the design with the help of some calculations and simulations. Calculations such as here you can see the motor. The motor wattage or the RPM of the motor is being decided with the help of the calculations and validated with the help of simulations. After this, we release the drawing for manufacturing. Generally, a mechanical design engineer is considered only releasing the drawings, but this whole journey comes to his way and then finally he releases some drawings. Now the question arises that what are the responsibilities of a mechanical design engineer? So initially we knew that only creating 3D models and manufacturing drawings is the responsibility. But now we know that selection of materials and other BOP, NAK, that means bought out parts, BOP items such as bearings, motors, actuators and fasteners are decided with the help of proper calculations, and then after releasing of these drawings, we also coordinate with manufacturers and suppliers so that whatever we designed are manufactured properly. Now, the tools used for this process are SolidWorks, Creo, CATIA, Inventor for design, and I also told you that there are validation with the help of simulations. So simulations are being done with the help of ANSYS or and FEA tools. Also, the documentation is very important and the crucial part of the process, because whenever we make a machine, there's always a scope of improvement, there's always continuous changes, and we need to track record of all the changes required and all the changes done. And this can be done with the help of Excel or any ERP tools or any PLM tools. We will learn about ANSYS, FEA tools, these softwares, pneumatic systems, servo systems, that means electrical motor based systems, sensors, in this channel later on. You just have to stay tuned with me. Now, the question is that what are the industries hiring such mechanical design engineers? This is not any thing that is being hidden. We already know that industrial automation, automotive sector, or aerospace, consumer products, medical devices, heavy machinery, and whatnot. Every industry require a design engineer for sure. But if each and every industry required that there would be a certain different set of skills that are required. Of course, we must know about the machine design. We must know about GD&T, geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. We must know about the material selection. We must know about the manufacturing processes. We must know about the problem solving skills, with the help of which we will be able to validate the design and we will be able to make the concepts and layouts. Now, also the communication skills, because we need to communicate with the customers and with the help with our manufacturers. So both we need to communicate. Now, it is very interesting to know the career growth. Of course, it starts with the design engineer, then the senior design engineer, and then you will be able to handle the team of 4 to 5 senior design engineers. You will become the lead engineer, and then after lead engineer, you will be an assistant manager, and then engineer manager, or the engineering head of the company. So after this all introduction of a mechanical design engineer, I can summarize the whole into this simple quote. A mechanical design engineer transforms ideas into reality. Whatever the idea she is thinking about the robot 3D models, he is making it into reality, making drawings, and then finally making parts of these drawings by making such kind of detailed drawings. Now, summary is the mechanical design engineer transform ideas into real products and machines. And how does he do this? With combining creativity, engineering knowledge, and manufacturing expertise. In this channel, I will tell you each and every step that is required to design a mechanical machine, and that too in very much detail. So drop down in the comments that what are the topics that you want to study first. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.